Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some big news from Apple that could change the tech landscape. The tech giant is making waves yet again with a bold new move. This time, Apple is setting its sights on taking full control of Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity in its devices. Yes, you heard that right. But what does this mean for the future of your Apple gadgets? Stick around because I'll break it all down for you in simple terms. Reports indicate that Apple is gearing up to replace third-party chips with its own in-house developed Bluetooth and Wi-Fi chips. This is huge. This marks another bold step in Apple's journey to gain more control over its hardware and software ecosystem. It's a strategic move that could redefine how we experience Apple products. But why is Apple making this move? What's the driving force behind this decision? Let's dive in and explore the reasons. First, in-house chips mean better performance. By designing these chips specifically for its devices, Apple can optimize for faster connections, more efficient power usage, and an overall better user experience. Imagine seamless connectivity and longer battery life. Second, this shift could lead to cost savings by cutting out third-party suppliers. Apple can reduce its dependency on external vendors and streamline its production process. Third, Apple's focus on privacy and security can be further enhanced by having complete control over chip development. This means more secure devices for users. And finally, tighter integration, the hallmark of Apple's ecosystem, can reach new heights with in-house chips. Imagine all your Apple devices working together even more seamlessly. However, this move isn't without challenges. There are significant hurdles Apple will need to overcome. Companies like Broadcom and Qualcomm have decades of experience in developing high-performance wireless chips. They are industry leaders for a reason. Apple will need to match or even surpass these standards to succeed. This is no small feat. The company's engineers are undoubtedly up for the challenge, but it will require significant innovation and effort. Reports suggest these new chips could start rolling out in Apple devices as early as 2025. That's just around the corner. For Apple users, this could mean devices with better connectivity, improved battery life, and even tighter integration between gadgets. The future looks promising, but as always, we'll have to wait and see how this plays out. There are many variables at play, so what do you think? Are you excited about Apple's new direction? Will Apple's shift to in-house chips revolutionize the connectivity experience on its devices? Or is this a risky move that could backfire? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm eager to hear what you think. This is a significant shift, and only time will tell if it pays off for Apple. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech news. Your support means a lot. See you in the next video. Stay tuned for more exciting updates.